All right, hello everyone. This is DayTraderRockStar for DayTradingRadio.com. I'm just going to go over a few stocks that we're focused on this week. Some of them featured on Sunday's 10 for 1,000 watch list, and others that were brought to your attention on other ways. But what I think is good about these few stocks, I'm just going to use this as a little educational video just to pinpoint some good stocks to see what they look like before the setup and see how they follow through actually going in real time today's breakthroughs on some of these setups that we've noticed. We're going to start off with Diana Shipping DSX here, and on Sunday we sent out the chart which basically looked like that, an inverted head and shoulders pattern here, and you look for that breakout. And what we did see here is because the 20 period moving average is coming right underneath us, which is very positive. I like that a lot. That's what my main thing is. It needs to start holding the 20. In this case, we have a 200 squeeze here, which is also another good indicator. And then, again, you see the breakthrough today. So that was a nice setup. Just remember that type of pattern. I think it's an important pattern to remember. Go on to the next stock here. Eli Lilly. This was another great downtrending trend line here. And kind of a wedge pattern, but what happened was we started holding the 20 period moving average right underneath the trend line here, and then you got that breakthrough. Once we got that breakthrough, I noticed that we still had some more strength because we still have the 20 coming under us and the 200 above us right here. So a couple days ago, again, even though you see it, we took the position there and then got the follow through and the breakout. Now tomorrow's earnings, anytime you got to manage your profits at all times. When you get a nice pop or follow through on a stock, you need to take your profits or somehow lock them in. It's the only way you're going to become a successful trader. Do not get too greedy on these. The setups are there, these very good setups, and I'm showing you tonight. Again, all you have to do is find these inverted head and shoulder patterns. This was featured last week, and as it was setting up, I marked it out. And then a few days later, actually that same day, we got the explosion and we got the follow through. All right. Very obvious pattern there. Very obvious. Another one today, actually, was down, but the pattern was there yesterday, and it actually made a nice move, and then it came down on overall news on the medical department. But you could see here, 2 days ago, you had this inverted head and shoulders pattern starting to form here again. And then you had the breakout there of the neckline. The next day, you got that sell-off, which would have been today based on news. But the pattern always sets up. Stochastics were set up nicely. And these are some of the charts that you notice in here is what I send out on the weekends and give buy triggers and stuff. So I'm kind of doing an update of that. AMAT, A-M-A-T. Here's one that actually can be used going forward here because I still love the setup here. Again, on a 10 for 1,000 watch list, the buy trigger 1355 or close above the 20 period moving average. And this one's continued to close above the 20 period moving average right here. Got a nice nice setup here. So I do expect it's going to break up out of this falling wedge pattern. Another good setup here. So AMAT still setting up nice. And again, letting these good quality stocks come to you. Very important. I want to run through these last few here fast. So don't take too much time. This is setting up now. S-C-E-N-X. Centex. I don't know how good Century Aluminum is. The pattern is there, but I'm not in this one. 2200 squeeze here should happen. Stochastics are a little overbought, but they're starting to embed up here. But, the pattern is there. I'm actually going to watch it. I'm not in it, but I want to watch it to see how it reacts so I can put that in the memory banks. Sohu, beautiful channel pointed out this weekend. Nice downward channel. You can see the last 2 days. Break of the channel. The stochastics were the key indicator here. Another indicator that I use a lot. And waiting the stochastics pulling back while we were pulling down to the lower part of the channel. And a very bullish downtrending channel like this. Everything was lining up for a big pop, and that's what we got. So that's SOHU. And that's about it for tonight. I just want to go over a few stocks. I'll send some more out via the email, and I hope you enjoyed this. So these setups and stuff also going to be seen on the radio every day. So definitely check it out if you haven't heard of DayTradingRadio.com. And this video found its way to you somehow. And this is what we do each and every day. Find these patterns before they break out, enter them, take profits into strength, and continue to move on. Build a nice bankroll. Be a good trader. have good times. All right. So hope to see you in the markets. I'm out of here. Day Trader Rockstar for you.